kit review is of the F-104 Starfighter, and it's a 1/44 scale model by MiniHobby. And I don't see any other pictures here, but we do have our instructions here on the back. And shows you the angle for the wings, and then the weapons. Also have the painting and decal guide. Let's have a look inside. So we have, looks like 3 main sprues. Here's our fuselage. These are raised panel lines. We have our fuel tanks. Actually, these are probably bombs. We have our landing gear bay, air intakes, landing gear, some pylons. Here's our exhausts and more landing gear. Here we have our wingtip fuel tanks, some weapons. It's a T-tail, so there's the top of the tail. And then these actually are the wings. They're very small, but it was a very short wingspan. Here's our canopy and our decals.